Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. In this video today, let's check out work from home. In this part 1, we will see how to set up a home office easily. So please stay tuned. Alright, the first thing that we think is how to set up a home office. How do we actually choose a spot at home? So let's see, how do we choose a spot? So if you look at a living room or your bedroom, there is always a spot which is begging to be converted to a home office. For example, a bedside table or a table in your living room is always begging to be converted to a spot. So find out those spaces and convert them to a home office. Now, after we have finalized the spot, the next thing that we do is to make it work friendly. So let's see, what do we do to make a spot work friendly? Make sure all your office supplies, all you need to be working from home is within your arm's reach. So all needed items have to be within your arm's reach. That is the other thing. Let's see what is next. If you are making video calls, if you are always on video calls, so make sure that your background is always clean. The next thing, if you have any auditory distractions, if you feel that there is noise around, so it's always better to use your headphones to avoid any disturbances. Next, if you're working, it is important to see your work. So make sure you're not working in the dark. There's always lights. So use lights to see your work and have a less strain on your eyes. Alright, now that we have set up the workplace, we have set up the lights, the next very important thing is health, because your health is wealth. Now let's see, how do we actually monitor your health without spoiling it. The posture is always important, so make sure your posture is as per the ergonomics. So your sitting style, your back, your elbows, your monitor position has to be right. So mind your posture to avoid any back pains or any issues. So make sure you keep on taking breaks. You don't work on your system continuously. So stand up for every 20 minutes, take some coffee breaks, walk around, and make sure you don't sit on the system continuously. Do some stretching, do some indoor exercises to keep your body fit, because you don't walk around a lot, you don't commute to work, you're not walking, you're not doing exercises. So that might increase your fatigue or may result in obesity. So please make sure you do some stretching, do some indoor exercises to keep yourself fit. So that's it guys. Please follow these steps. These are a few tips and tricks. This is not a mandatory, this is not something which is written somewhere. This is something from PowerPoint Glamour. This is something to make you stay fit and stay safe. So stay home and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.